Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. Come here, give me a hug. Back to my channel. It's your girl Mare, and if you're new here, welcome to day 17 of Vlogtober. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I've literally just woken up about an hour ago, got my middle son off to school, and now I'm just sitting here doing my to-do list. Yes, I still have on the clothes from yesterday because yes, I put them back on because it is so cold. And don't do that, okay? Don't do that. Come here, give me a hug. It's so cold today, so I'm just getting my day started, and I will check in with you a little bit later. Christ in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah, Christ in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. 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 Hey yo, he said that he will never change, and he never changed. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand, and I follow all his plans. Sometimes I don't understand, but to trust is what I can do. Cause he made me new, and he gave me two things I used to do that I shouldn't do. All of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. Yeah. I'm good. 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 Steadily changing, he's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, he's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah, Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Ooh, wow, I can understand. You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I? You see me, I won't wanna stop, cause you clean me. And now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better. He's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. He's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah, Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Hi, I sincerely apologize about today. I did not vlog at all today. Today was just one of those days where I was just all over the place, and I could not take the time to set up the camera, try to look presentable. I'm wearing my husband's work hoodie. I'm just, forgive me. Today, day 17 of Vlogtober, is not what I anticipated it to be. I didn't really get anything done today other than, sir, I'm recording here.
Oh.
Thank you. Other than, you know, putting in my grocery order and my son's in-home therapy session, nothing really got done today. So forgive me. May tomorrow be better and more entertaining. I'm gonna leave y'all
with that, have a good night.
The mess. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through. Now
I was also thinking about purchasing a hairpiece, but I don't know if it's because I feel like the pressure to do it or if because I actually want to do it. And that's where my, I guess, concern is. It's like, do you really want to wear a wig, or do you feel pressured to wear a wig to conform? So, not really sure. Like I said, I'm thinking about it, but I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure if this is something that I'm going to do. Because, as my mother always says, to thy own self be true. And to my own self be true, meaning, is this really something that you want to do? Or is it just so you want to make other people feel better or more comfortable around you? Because, yeah, that's all. That's it. That's all. When you're hungry and don't know what to eat, and your kids don't eat leftovers. And child, I got me a bowl of pot roast and a bowl of beans and neck bones. Don't judge me, okay? Okay.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away.